Hello everyone, thank you once again for tuning into our YouTube channel. And today we're going to go through the app, the Cuby Smart app, so you have an idea of how exactly it works and what it can control for you. So basically, the module, once it's already been set up, it should be set in an area where it's close to the actual mini split on the wall as per the instructions. But what we're going to do next is just show you some of the basic functions. So you can hit the more button here and you can change your vertical vane or your horizontal vane according to what your remote can do. So if it has a turbo feature, let's try that now. Turn it on and you can kind of hear it. And we're in front of the unit now, so you can hear the speed of the fan starting to speed up in the turbo mode. So there's that function there, and we'll go ahead and turn it off, and you can hear it slow down. We'll actually set it on eco mode, see how that works. I guess that would be the slowest mode on the fan, but then you can see that actually here too, where you can set your fan to high. We should hear it speed up. Let's see. And there you go, you can hear that. And then you can also set it on low, and now you hear it slow down. So you have that available to you. You have the mode if you want to run it on cool, on heat, on fan only, or dry if you want to just dehumidify. You can do that as well. So we'll leave it on cool, obviously. And then of course you can change the temperature, as you can see there. It goes down in increments of 2 degrees Fahrenheit. It doesn't really affect a lot of our customers that have already installed it. And the reason is, once you're using this, for some odd reason it would display Celsius on the actual mini split, but it can go back to Fahrenheit once you start using the regular remote. So this is kind of like when you're away from the home, you want to make sure, let's say you didn't leave your unit on, you can turn it off, or if it's extremely hot and you need to run it for about a good hour just to get the area to cool down, and if you're in a humid climate, to remove humidity or whatnot. But it will display up at the center top, right under where it says app connected. It will display the current temperature in the room and then the humidity level as well. And of course you can go as high as 87, and by doing that, you're basically, the unit's going to turn off. It's just going to run the fan, but it won't run in cooling mode. Now you could also go lower, but another thing you can do is you can just turn it off completely, and you can hear the vane closing, and that's because the unit completely just 100% shut off at the moment. So you do have the basic functions that you can control when you're away from home. And again, you can do this with any mini split that you have. You just have to install, of course, the Cuby Smart module, and then download the app, which is free. You can download it on iOS or on Android. It's free to use, and you have that available to you as well. So thank you once again for watching. I thought I'd go over the basic functions of the app. If you have any questions, please post them down below. And of course, please subscribe to our channel. It helps us in producing more videos like these in the future. Anything we can do to save you green and make life a little bit more easier and enjoyable, we believe that this Cuby Smart module is a good way to go if you have had these mini split units already installed in your home. You can basically integrate it with any mini split that's already there. But anyways, thank you for watching. See you next time.